guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room makeover. This is my room and I've had this room for a very long time and I just felt like it was time to give it a little bit of a renovation because if you know me, I love white. I am very much a beige neutral type of person. However, this room has kind of gotten me out of my comfort zone because the walls are not white and I could paint it white, but I decided that I wanted to play up the cream color that it's giving. I'm gonna start off first by changing the curtains and then working my way along the room. I'm gonna be telling you guys most of what I use is in the description box. Like most of the products, places where I got everything from will be linked below. Honestly, I would say 75% of what I got was from Amazon. The other couple of percent, like 20% maybe from 20% from Ikea, and then the other 10% from the thrift store. I am an avid thrifter. I love thrifting and you find really cool things at the thrift store. However, because of Amazon, sometimes you can find exactly what you're looking for in comparison to thrift store where it's like, you know, hit or miss. So I'll be telling you guys and sharing the items as I go along, but I just thought it would be cool to do a little intro. this DIY at this point. I got this mirror from Ikea. I'll link it down below. And at first, I was actually gonna keep it for like fashion videos and things like that. But then I realized anything else could be my background. This mirror needs to be in my room so I can see my outfits in the first place. So because of that, I'm going to spray paint it green. I really love how the color green on the dresser came out. So I feel like it's going to be really nice and tie the room together, because the white against the cream colored walls might be too stark of a contrast, and I'm going for a very warm feel in the room. So I've already scotch taped it that way, so that way none of the edges mess up. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to take this garbage bag and put it right here, the trash bag, to cover the mirror, and spray paint the mirror, and then after that move the trash bag down and then finish spray painting the mirror. So I think it's gonna be really cool. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look, because that green spray paint is so beautiful. It's exactly the color I needed, because the pillows on my bed are also that shade of like, it's in between sage green and hunter green, but it's a beautiful color. I love that color right now with terracotta. Whew, it's very much giving back. This is how everything is looking right now. This is where the mirror is. I just brought this carpet from downstairs. I'm about to put it under this ottoman. This carpet is so strange, but like I've been trying to figure out what to do with it. Whether keep it on the ottoman, I don't think so. I'm still trying to figure it out. Everything has been a very much going on Pinterest, trying to figure it out, but at the same time, kind of, you know, doing my own thing. I really like the desk right there. I haven't put the artwork up here yet, and some shelves are going to be here, and basically this rug. As you can tell, my desk has like a lot of stuff on it. It's not just one thing, you know. Also going for a tropical vibe, you guys. Don't worry, when I'm done with it, it's a mix of different vibes, but I really like it. I like the fact that it's very warm. I was going for a very warm color palette. These are my hangers, because I just had to buy hangers for my clothes. So I'm actually gonna move this ottoman right now and basically try to put this carpet this way, basically this way, under the bed, so it can come out at the corners type vibe. I hope it looks nice, because sometimes carpet placements, you're not really sure how it's gonna come out. But this rug I really like, because it has all my colors. The sea moss green, not sea moss, I don't know why I keep saying sea moss, but basically all the colors are moss green, which you can tell from the pillows, the pillow accents. That's moss green. So moss green, terracotta, a little mix of bohemian. So I love this rug because it has basically all of that. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it, because this ottoman, let me show you guys something that's pretty cool. I'm showing you guys like basically the little things on my of the room finally. But right here is gonna be where the dresser is gonna be, just right here. It fits perfectly in that space. I already spray painted it. It looks amazing, but that's really what is gonna finish the room. And then this ottoman was originally look like this, which is not bad. I just didn't like the black detailing and I wanted it to be more minimal. So I bought this cover off Amazon. Like I said, I'm gonna link everything down below. I bought this cover off Amazon and I decided to just cover the ottoman. This is my diffuser. I actually got it from the thrift store. I was like, oh my god, such a nice diffuser, such a steal. Wow, yeah, it's leaking. They put it in the thrift store for a reason. So today I got this diffuser, which is so cute. It's fabric here and it's wood, and I got it from Walmart. Yeah, I know, crazy, right? Yeah, I got it from Walmart. So oh, before I forget, so this area, this was the dresser I originally bought from Ikea, but I later on decided that I was gonna revamp the dress I already had instead of using this Ikea dresser. So I'm returning this. This I thought was gonna be really nice on my side table, but as you can see, I don't really have a side table and I'm not sure if I'm really gonna have one at the moment. So that's gonna have to find its way. So I'm gonna return that. And the shelves were white, and the truth is, with this room, it does have pops of white here and there, you know, like the chair, you know, certain things, but I don't want it to be overarchingly white. So the shelves over there, I want them to be wooden. So I'm gonna go back, return all this stuff. I was gonna return the carpet at first, but when I brought it up here, I realized that it might be the perfect touch that I was looking for in the room. So let's put it in.